Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, mini strategists. In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Mini Reborn, a fantastic auto battler. To begin, you'll select one hero and 5 unique minis to form your army. During the pre-round, strategically place these units on your side of the 8x5 battle board. Remember, each mini requires a specific amount of elixir, typically between 2 and 4, so plan your initial deployment carefully. Your army consists of powerful heroes and diverse minis. Heroes are your primary leaders, each with unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle. Minis come in various roles, from sturdy tanks to swift damage dealers, each contributing differently. As you play, you can upgrade your minis by deploying duplicates, boosting their stats and unlocking up to 3 new abilities, making them even stronger. Success in Clash Mini Reborn hinges on smart strategy. Carefully consider where you place your minis to create powerful synergies and counter your opponent's lineup. After each round, you'll see your opponent's last placements, allowing you to adapt your strategy for the next clash. The ultimate goal is to win 3 rounds, so every decision on the board counts towards achieving victory. To truly excel, experiment with different hero and mini combinations to discover powerful deck synergies. Understanding each mini's upgrade path is vital, as new abilities unlock at specific star levels, significantly impacting their effectiveness. Don't forget to complete your daily quests and challenges. These are excellent ways to earn gold, gems, and other valuable rewards to strengthen your collection and progress further in the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.